Okay, I had this problem. I was working on a project for the school district using security cameras. A, it's kind of a dubious thing to need, but our school seemed to need security cameras, and I've taken on this project. So what you see in front of you is a floor plan of one of our buildings, and we added cameras there last year, and we were looking to add more this year. Well, the problem I was facing was coverage. So looking at the front of this building here, you can see these red circles are where I propose to add cameras. These green circles are where cameras already exist. So I was trying to figure out, this is a student parking lot out here, and this isn't a very good visual representation of the student parking lot, so I needed to find tools to be able to actually see really what's out there. So I used Google Maps, and I used my surveillance software um, to hone in on the areas that are covered. Now you can see that this Google map provides a much better representation of um, the actual view of the student parking lot, and you can see some very defined edges here in the building, and you can see the parking lot and the street that runs along the parking lot, our district office here. So what I did was I took my security cameras, the visual views of my security cameras, and I looked to see, well, there's a street, and this is this street right here. So I knew that this was the angle of view of that particular camera, and then it reached basically over into this area over here. And what I did was I constructed a picture of um, each of the views of each of these different cameras. Here's another camera also looking at that street, and a very good view of that tree. And and here's the admin parking lot where the district office is, and that little island there that we can see right here on Google Maps. There's the district office. So the result was this picture. So this is a still picture. I took this screenshot using the Command Control Shift 4 key on my Mac, and took this little snapshot, threw it into Photoshop, and drew these lines according to what I was seeing. So I could see this. You can see these lines show that I have two views of the driveway of that street. That this is a dead zone in here, and this is a dead zone there, and then I can see this the administrative parking lot here. So to answer the question posed in the forum, the amplifiers that I used here were Photoshop, Google Maps, and the security software that is a client of the cameras that I use. In addition to that, and kind of hidden in the background, is the networking that's required to be able to do all of this. I accessed Google Maps from my home here on the internet, and I was also able to VPN to the school district's network to be able to see these cameras, which in Inglebart's day would have been quite an amazing feat. So the problem I was trying to solve was to be able to see the the areas that were unavailable for view of the security cameras, and I put all these things together to be able to see those things and present a visual representation of that. I think I got a good result, and probably won't use this particular combination of tools in the future, but certainly use them in different combinations for different purposes. In addition to solving this problem, I think it's worth noting that I used ScreenFlow to create this presentation, which is another amplifier. Thanks.